Hey everybody, hi pet lovers. Let's talk about the Jonny Cat Heavy Duty. This is a litter box liner and I bet by the end of this review you guys are gonna go crazy over it just like we did. So we have two cats here at home and we definitely needed these. Get this, these are tear resistant heavy duty litter box liners and they fit most litter boxes. I'm going to take one out and show you guys just how big it is. I do want to note that it comes with 15 liners, so you definitely get a lot of them. There you go. So this is what it looks like, almost like trash bags, right? You guys, you can pull from the side as so, and you're going to get one of the liners out. Let me pull one out so we can talk about them. Look at the size of this thing. This is huge for sure. It fits both of our litter boxes because we do have two perfectly. The cats have gone in there, no scratches, no tears, no nothing. This is definitely very heavy duty, very, very resistant. Just by the feel of it, you can hardly stretch it at all. These are made to last. All right, guys, you also have the little string attached right here, just like you would pull the trash out. You can do so the same way. You have the drawstrings that you can pull up, tie them, and get rid of it. I really adore this. Once in a while, we always have to get rid of all of our cat litter and replace it with new one, but this task was also a two-person task. My mom would always call me saying, I need your help, you hold the bag, I tilt it over. Not anymore. The Jonny cat really helped us out. It is amazing, you guys. It makes replacing your cat's litter once in a while super easy, super quick, and super fast. And you also get 15 of them, so they'll last you so long. Check them out. This is an amazing product.